Guys, I'm gonna show you how to make it rain fast. So you would need root for this, and also obviously make it rain, and this other app called root game hacker. Alright, so let me go to make it rain. What this does is like a time machine. It fast forwards time on the game only. That means it's 12 o'clock in the morning now. Alright, so all you will need to do for this game, just collect my bucket money. Alright, so once you have downloaded Game Hacker, you have Make It Rain going, you just tap on it, and you see this little speedometer down here. You just push this arrow to the right. I go to 15 max, because the other way it lags too much. As you can see, my money is flying by way quicker. Even the bucket goes by faster. I'm supposedly making 20 B an hour. I just made 1 B in a few seconds. That's how fast it makes it. So that's it. And to stop it, you just can push the pause button in there. It's regular speed. I'll be uploading more hacks soon.